Precision 0. Engaging welders. Check alignment. Affirmative. Welding initiated. Cable tension stable. Module is tracking on vector 3. Ready to lower, slow and steady. Roger that. Engaging descent. Plasma ignition confirmed. Pressure at optimal.
Stand by for crane move.
Monitoring temperature at the cut surface. Initiating lift sequence.
Copy. Lift sequence initiated.
Hydraulic press engaging.
Verified. Closing now. Clamps secured. Initiating welding sequence.
Welding complete. Inspection sweep active.
All parameters within tolerance. Sequence success. Scan complete.
Results initializing.
All parameters are good. Quality passed. Initiating lift protocol. Keep it steady. Guide ropes tight.
Almost there. Careful, careful.
Robotics are online. Engage alignment.
Green laser alignment confirms the position. Engage hydraulic pins.
Pin 1 engaged. Pin 2 engaged.
Cranes release tension. Weld integrity, 100%. Initiating final stage. Inspection is complete. All systems report a perfect pass. Well done, team. Keep it steady. Perfect alignment on the starboard side. Adjusting slightly. Locking into position. Clear the deck. Module is settling.
Module verified. Proceed with docking sequence.
Locks engaging.
Tension releasing. Hooks disconnecting.
The robotic sealing units are engaged. Verification complete. Joints are sealed.
Transporting the staircase module now.
Glass panel secured. Check laser alignment on the right.
Vacuum release initiated.
Main gantry. Confirm module transfer. Alignment check is green. Lowering now. Precise movement. Confirmation on all positioners. Proceed. Hold. Slight correction needed. The alignment is perfect.
Lock initiated. Torque up.
Green light confirmed. Release tension.
Final adjustments underway.
Torques are holding green.
Module locked. Release the crane.
Propulsion system alignment confirmed. Begin locking procedure.
Torque sequence initiating. Structural integrity at 100%.
Status lights engaged. All systems nominal. Engine room module secured. Main power distribution system online 100. Main propulsion drive successfully commissioned. Cooling system online, Kreeing, 100%. Initiating integrated power management system startup. Confirming core module activation. System online at 100%.
Emergency protection system ready. 100%.
Digital health report. All systems optimal.
Initiate completion protocol.
Status green. All systems nominal. Preparing for pre-sea trials.
Acknowledged. Standby for final integration check.
Countdown initiated. 5, 4, 3. Final positioning is confirmed. Engaging safety locks now. Structural alignment verified across all nodes.
Final inspections are green, ready for sea trials.
All systems checked and approved. Final inspection passed. Ready for launch. Gates are fully open. Initiate flooding sequence. Pressure stable. Commencing inflow. Holographic analysis confirms hull integrity at 50%. All systems checked. Launch sequence initiated.
Bridge reports confirmed operational. Ready for tow.
Roger that. Proceeding with launch. Main propulsion engaged. Thrusters responding. Status green for departure. Proceed with casting off. Ropes released, Captain. Sea trial phase 2 Tenroll. High-speed propulsion test passed. Sea trial phase 1 to tin. Propulsion test successful. Main engines at 50%, maneuvering trial engaged. Azimuth pod reporting full steering response, heel angle. Propulsion output is reaching critical levels. Maintaining course and speed, maximum performance verified.
Roger, all data logged. Outstanding results.
Green confirmation received. Sea trial phase 4, full power endurance test. All systems stable. Sustained maximum speed achieved. Passed. Emergency stop. Execute crash stop sequence.
Crash stop sequence initiated.
Engaging starboard turn. Rudder at 10 degrees. Propulsion engaging. Port correction commanded. Pod rotating. Perfect stability confirmed. Maximum starboard command issued. Azimuth pod rotation commencing.
Initiating ocean voyage mode. Engaging automatic stabilization systems. Entering deep offshore waters.
Offshore ocean stability trial initiated.
The heavy ocean stability trial commences. All systems active. Stabilizers engaged. Decks level. Data confirms stage 1 passed. Offshore stability test Bahrain stage 2 passed.
Confirmation received. Proceed to next phase.
Live wave analysis is stable. Initiating stabilization response. Propulsion holding. Maximum thrust deployed. We are clear. The voyage route is complete and systems are green.
Propulsion systems are nominal.
Outstanding. Prepare for final preparations. Welcome to a world where luxury knows no bounds. The pinnacle of ocean luxury. Experience the ocean from every angle. The journey has only just begun. From sunset to a city of light, where luxury never sleeps. The ocean comes alive at night. Status check across all quadrants. Reading 99% alignment. Engage secondary hydraulics. Verified. Initiating locking sequence. Green lights confirm primary lockdown. Initiating secondary system checks. Status secure. Excellent work, team. Alignment check. Position confirmed. Initiate hydraulic lock sequence. Locking complete. Power up. Chandelier descent rate holding steady. Position verified. Proceeding with final alignment. Locking mechanisms engaging.
The walnut panels need to align perfectly here. We have the floor slabs ready. Lights are coming up now, sir.
Main propulsion engaged.
Stabilizers online.
Initiating system commissioning. Prepare for launch. Main propulsion engaged. Generators synchronized. Systems online. Propulsion ready.
With immense pride, we present the Golden Master Key to the oceanic grandeur. I accept with gratitude and honor. Let the voyage begin.
By the authority vested in me, I christen this ship Oceanic Majesty. Hurrah! Cast off! Full speed ahead!